welcome all our participants from India and Slovenia. Today's program is hosted by the Ryan International Group of Schools in India and by the Priva Gymnasia Maribor. Today we have children from India from three different states, which is Punjab, Rajasthan and Chandigarh.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you.
First, we will introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Luca.
Zivjo, everyone. Like, that is what I have learned. Hi in Slovenian, so Zivjo.
I'm Habib Dati from the Amritsar, and I am a rapper.
I'm Mehnaz Kaur, and I'm a dancer.
I'm Yaqub.
Hi, I'm Petya.
My name is Samya Singh.
My name is Daksh.
Hello, I'm Ivana.
Hi, I'm Mila. I'm 17 years old.
Hello everyone, how are you all?
Because of the pandemic, we have more free time. We cannot see our friends, so we often call each other.
Hi!
Hi, I'm Anshika, and in my viewpoint, I think mysteries can wait, but beauty and nature cannot wait.
To a few good points about our school. We have a lot of exams and oral tests, but they are scheduled well, so we only have to study one subject at a time. We have 2 long breaks where we can relax a little bit, eat our lunch, and talk to our friends.
Let's go to the Lotus Lake. Lots of memories.
Because we have to take care of our physique and health, we like to do something more sporty, walking around the city and taking walks in the park.
Here are the top watched movies in India.
Some interesting facts. India witnessed the first motion picture in the late 1910s and was in
And One Direction.
How we dance.
Most incredible places in India. Kashmir is known for its natural beauty and also called heaven on earth.
My favorite series is Friends. It's a sitcom about 6 friends, Rachel, Ross, Monica, Chandler, Joey, and Phoebe, who live in the center of New York.
Golden era of Bollywood music. In this period, a lighter form of Hindustani classical music became famous. Many singers came to prominence during this period, like Lata Mangeshkar, Mohammad Rafiq, etc.
Slovenians complain a lot. Slovenians complain about everything. The weather is bad outside, we complain. When we don't find something, we complain.
मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
Lake Bled is one of, if not the most popular tourist destination in Slovenia. It's located in the Julian Alps in northwestern Slovenia.
In Calcutta, the British capital was at the vanguard of new literary and cultural movements. The pioneering writer Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote Bengali novels on social reform.
Other works that are very popular with teenagers are The Hunger Games, The Mortal Instruments, and The Famous Five, which means that youngsters like reading science fiction, action, and mystery novels.
Do you have any questions?
So good afternoon everyone. I would like to know that what kind of poetry do you read, and is it English poetry, and if yes, then what kind of poetry it is? Like, what is the basic theme of the poetry and how it is?
So yes, we read poetry, but it's not so common here. We usually read like fictional stuff or something like that, but Peter Sharan is one of the biggest Slovenian poets.
Who is their famous rapper there?
The most known in Slovenia is probably Chale Sale. He's really popular in he spreads positivity and positive impact on young people. So, yeah.
Hello everyone. My question was that students in India are very competitive while giving the exams, and I wanted to ask, is it the same? Is it the same spirit that the Slovenian students carry? And the second thing was that the Indian students are more inclined towards the STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Are Slovenian students also spirited towards that goals? Thank you.
I think it depends on a person. We're not that competitive, but some people can be.
So I wanted to ask that they don't need to wear uniform, but are they allowed to color their hair?
Yes, we are allowed to color our hair, paint our nails.
Alright, thank you so much.